What's going on, guys? I wanted to show off the Turbosmart compact EM dual port blow-off valve that now has been out for about 2 years for the GR Yaris over in Australia. This product's been tested and designed, and now obviously we got the GR Corolla here in the States with the same engine, and actually one of our customers has confirmed that this guy works and fits. So let's do a little bit of unboxing and show out the product. So they package it real nice. Smallish box, pretty small unit. It bolts directly to the turbo housing on the compressor. Kind of the new style electronic, actuated by the computer. Here it is. Comes with the new O-ring. Always make sure that you lube this when installing. This is the actual valving. Comes with new bolts. And then this is the bracket that slips on. If I can get it to. Just like that.